How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching Sygtech. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have a studio condenser microphone from Uhuru. Actually, they did send this product for review. This is not a paid endorsement. They just asked me if I want to review this product. I said yes. So in today's video we'll check this product. I'm gonna give you my opinion and we're gonna test it. Why not? I'm gonna give you a test and we'll see what it's like to use a condenser microphone for your YouTube, podcast, gaming, and so on. But first, let's see what comes in the box now. Let's unbox it. So just to show you, so this is the XM-900. And basically, this product is coming with everything you need to start your podcast, YouTube, like I mentioned. So let's see what comes in the box now. First, we have the user manual, as you can see here. We have a happy or not happy card. If you're not happy about something, just contact the company and they will make sure that everything will be solved. We have a windscreen foam. This is pretty nice. This is quite thick, which is pretty good. Also, we have a pop filter. This is a very good quality pop filter. Only suggestion is I wish this was a little bit smaller. That'll be much nicer, but I will test that. But the quality is very, very nice. And on the top here we have a XLR to XLR cable, which this is always good touch to have. Also, we have the shock mount, which is from metal. This is a very good touch as well. This is nice. Also, we have the 3/8 to 5/8, which is very good, so you can attach this to a different microphone stands. We have the Caesar arm, standard Caesar arm, which again, this is pretty decent. I'll leave it on the side. Also, we have the clamp, the C clamp, pretty standard as well. And last but not least, we have the XM-900 condenser microphone with the branding. And actually, I do like this. It's not a matte black, but yeah, I like the feeling. It's pretty decent. Also, the microphone is a little bit heavy, which again, this is a very good plus. And yeah, I do like it. And now I'm gonna give you a test of this XM-900 condenser studio microphone. So let's switch it now and let's hear it. Alright, so now you're listening to the Uhuru XM-900. So let me know, what do you think? I barely see myself, but my Windows is open. And this is the raw audio from Uhuru XM-900 condenser studio microphone for your needs. And let me know, what do you think? Actually, I reviewed a couple of products in the past for Uhuru, and actually pretty decent quality and price as well. So yeah, let me know, what do you think about this condenser microphone. So the polar pattern of this microphone is Cardio 8. So you have to talk front of the microphone. Always make sure you use a pop filter or a windscreen. In that case, this is gonna help you to remove all the plosives. So we're gonna try now plosives with and without the windscreen. We have pop filter as well. So peep pa pa pa, peep pa 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 pa. And now I'm gonna remove the screen. Beep pa 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 pa, pizza pa pa poop pa. Beep pa 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 pa. Beep pa pa pa. So as you can hear, there should be some difference now with the voice, but again, I barely see myself, so I'm going to remove the windscreen, and just to have idea, just to see me properly now. So let me know, what do you think about this product? I think this product is very decent for the price, and the more important is the voice. What do you think about the sound quality? Because you buy a microphone just for the voice, for the sound, and as you can see, this microphone comes with all the attachments that you need. A pop filter, comes with a scissor arm, comes with all the attachments, cables, C-clamp, and yeah, I think it's great for the price. But the more important is, let me know, what do you think about this product. I do like the sound. Obviously, this is a condenser microphone, so again, make sure that wherever you record your, let's say, your voice, at least you have a nice and quiet room, because the condenser microphones, they are prone to get a lot of noise around your, let's say, your studio. If you have a, let's say, a fan kicking off, or let's say if you have a keyboard. So make sure that you check that before you record anything, because then it's gonna be a little bit hard to remove this background noise. I do like the condenser microphones. Something very interesting before I forgot is, make sure that to enable the 48 phantom power, because you need the 48 phantom power to use this condenser microphone. All the condenser microphones require a 48 phantom power, so make sure you enable that. Also, any type of mixers or audio interfaces, they got already 48 phantom power, so you need to enable that to make sure to activate this microphone. So as you can hear, and my windows is open, so there's a train is going now, so at least we can see what is the difference, if there's any noise, do you hear something. But overall, I think this is a very good buy. I'm gonna leave all the links in the descriptions down below for all the prices, current prices right now. I am gonna put the price for UK, which is £45. So this is amazingly cheap. Like I mentioned already, you get everything in the box. You just need to plug it and you're ready to go. Obviously, you need an audio interface to activate to use this microphone. But overall, I think this is pretty good. Let me know, what do you think. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Once again, thank you very much, Uhuru, for sending this product for review. A couple of things I want to say before I wrap this video is, I do like it. The only thing which I'm not big fan of is the this massive windscreen, which is massive. You barely can see me. I wish the windscreen was a little bit smaller, but overall, I think it's a very good product for the price. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.